Hey there, it's David again with the ImagineArt team. So you've got your workflow set up. You know how to generate images and videos, but here's the thing. Sometimes you're just staring at that blank prompt box with no idea what to type. We've all been there. What if AI could help you come up with the ideas? That's what the text node is for. So it's not just for typing your own prompts. You can actually use it to talk to an AI model. Claude, ChatGPT, whichever one you prefer, and have it generate the prompts for you. Think of it like a creative partner. You give it a direction, and it comes back with a fully fleshed out idea that you can feed straight into your image or video blocks. Let me show you how this works. All right, I'm going to right click and add a text node. I'm going to choose Claude Sonnet 4.5, but again, use whatever you like. Now, instead of typing an image prompt directly, I'm going to give the AI an instruction, something like generate a creative, descriptive prompt for an AI image model. The theme is a futuristic city at night. I'm going to run it. There we have it. See how I specified it's for an image model? That helps the AI give you a prompt that's actually optimized for image generation. Very detailed, visual, ready to use. I click run and the AI does the thinking for me. And we have a fully detailed prompt ready to go. So let's try it out. Let's add an image block here and connect the prompt directly from the output of the LLM. And we'll just leave it at 1:1 aspect ratio here. See what we get back. And there we have it. An awesome neon street scene. So let's say I want to switch it up. Change my prompt to a magical forest scene with ethereal creatures. Let's see what it comes up with. And boom, we've got a mystical forest glade bathed in soft twilight where ancient trees with twisted silver bark. They're so good at getting detailed and specific. Let's run this and let's see how Nano Banana Pro renders it. And there we have it. Now I've got enchanted glowing trees, mystical fog, fantastical beings, completely different direction, but the same easy process. You can keep doing this over and over again. Iterate, refine, explore. It's like brainstorming, but faster. So that's the text node. Instead of staring at a blank box, let AI do the heavy lifting. Give it a simple instruction, get back a detailed prompt optimized for image generation, and plug it right into your workflow. It's a game changer for when you're stuck or just want to explore new ideas quickly. Go try it yourself at imagine.art/flow. I'm David from the ImagineArt team. See you in the next one.